Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Rebel Free. In today's video I'm going to explain you about work study and what are the different things we have under work study, and about each of them I'm going to explain you in this video. And make sure that you watch the video till the end so that you can understand it more clearly. And also let me know that in the comment section when do you have your exam, so that I can make videos faster. And if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, do subscribe and also share it with your friends. And one more thing, if you want me to make any other videos or any other topics, if you're having any suggestions for me, just let me know that in the comment section or to my contact details in the description box so that I can do it for you. So now let's get started with the video. So first, what do you mean by work study is what you have to understand. Okay, very easy. It is a systematic examination or investigation. Anything is same to improve productivity by better utilization of equipment and also reducing the cost and also time. So here you will be examination, you'll be doing the you'll examine or you will be investigating in order to improve the productivity of your organization by using the equipment which you have in a better way, and also reducing the cost of production and also reducing the time, which means you will be getting the results in a very quick time. Okay, you need not have to wait for a long period of time. Okay, so that is about the work study, a systematic examination or investigation which we do in order to improve the productivity of our organization by using the equipment which we are having in a better way, in an efficient way, and also by reducing the cost and time. Okay, so that is about the work study. So in work study we have two techniques. Okay, two techniques of work study we are having. Number one is method study and number two is work measurement. Work measurement can also be called as time study. Okay, so you can simply say in work study we have two. Number one is method study and number two is time study also, you can see. Okay, time study is nothing but the work measurement. Now let us understand what method study is, what work measurement is, and what is the process of method study, what is the process of work measurement. Okay, so now let's understand first what method study is. So if you have to understand about the method study is nothing but determination of the best method for a particular job. You will be having some methods, right? In order to do a particular thing. Suppose for example, let us consider math. In maths we will be having from our childhood we have been listening to this, one single problem can be solved in so many ways, right? So in that way also, in order to do a particular job we will have so many methods. So among all those methods you will have to choose a best method which is efficient, which means the resource utilization should be efficient and we should get the output in less cost and less time, right? So that is called as the best method. So the determination of a best method for a particular job is called as the method study. Okay, and how method study is done, first of all, actually there is another sequence process, but what actually is done in method study is it will eliminate the unnecessary jobs. If there are any unnecessary jobs which will waste our time, which will waste our money, which will waste our resources, in that case those unnecessary jobs will be eliminated first. Okay, done. And it will also improve the current method of production. We will be following a particular method of production, right? If there are any flaws in that method, those methods, the flaws can be improvised, the flaws can be removed. Okay, so that is what happens in the method study. Simply, method study means among all the methods you have in order to do a particular job, you will be choosing out a best method among all the methods, and also it will eliminate all the unnecessary jobs and in order to make it more efficient, and it will improve the current method of production. Okay, the next comes the work measurement, which is also called as the time study. Okay, here it will measure the work required to complete the job. So in order to complete a job, how much work you have to do, that can be calculated by using this work measurement. Okay, by applying various techniques. Done. So we will be applying various techniques, and from we will be deciding what is that we have to which method we have to use in order to calculate the amount of work that has to be done in order to do this task. Okay, so we have some sequence of steps for method study and some sequence of methods for work measurement. Let's see them now. So if you see the process of method study first what you have to do is select the procedure that has to be analyzed. So among all the procedures that you have, you'll be having different techniques to do a job, right? So first you have to select a technique. You have to analyze it, whether this technique is okay or not, right? So which method you want to, which technique you want to analyze, you have to first select that. Then after selecting, you have to record the information. Whatever the information is related to that, whatever the important information is related to that particular method, you need to record all those information. Okay, and here in this this is nothing but collecting the information, right? So here whatever information you have collected, all those information has to be examined here. So examination of collected data. So whatever the data you have collected, that has to be examined here. Done. So after you examine the data, then you have to modification and improvement in current data is nothing but, if whatever the data you have collected here, if there are any modifications or improvisations required for that data, you have to do it. Okay, done. The next is installation of new method. What is the new method here? Whatever the improvements or modifications you have done here, so after improvements and modifications are done, it becomes a new method, right? So that new method has to be installed in your organization, right? And then you have to, a periodic verification is nothing but in regular intervals of time you have to go and verify that method, whether that is working perfectly or not. If there is any problem, you have to again change it and the process will continue. Okay, so this is about the method study. First you need to select, then record, then examine, then modify, install, verify. Okay, done. So again I'll just brief out once, so that again you need not revise it. First you need to select the procedure among all the procedures you have, which one you want to analyze. You need to select that. Then what you have to do, all the information related to that you have to collect. Done. And you have to examine all the information which you have collected, and after examining you have to decide whether there are any modifications or improvisations required. If at all, if there are any modifications or improvements required, in that case you have to do, and then it becomes a new method, right? So you have to install that new method into your organization and you have to start following that. You have to implement that in your organization, and after implementing at regular intervals of time, you have to go and check whether it is going perfectly or not. Okay, done. So this is about the method of, this is about how the process method study is done. So the process of method study. The next comes the process of time study, or you can also say is process of work measurement. So here what is done is, it is a bit long when compared to method study. In method study we actually have 6 steps. Here we are having 2 more steps. Okay, now here first you have to again select the procedure that has to be analyzed, the same as the method study, the first point. Then what you have to do here is, whatever the procedure you have selected, that has to be divided into small work elements. So you should divide it into number of small subparts. You have to divide it into number of divisions. Okay, so after you divide it into number of divisions, what you have to do is the same again. The third step would be same again. Record the information or data of those small work elements. So in method study, what we are doing, we are directly taking the procedure and recording the information, right? Here in the case of time study, we will be taking the procedure, just break it down, and the information from each and every small parts will be taken. Okay, done. So once you collect all the information that you have recorded will be examined in the 4th step. Okay, so examination of collected data will be done. So after you examine, in the 5th step what happens, measurement of work with respect to time of work element. So you need to measure the work with respect to time. Okay, done. So after you measure, again in 6th step, if there are any modifications that you are supposed to do in the current measurement, you have to do those modifications. If there are no modifications required, you can leave it, and then you have to install the new method into your organization, which means you have to implement that new method, and again you have to convert the work content which you have calculated, that has to be converted into the standard time. Okay, done. So this is what you have to do in the process of the time study. Done. First you have to select the procedure, then you have to divide the procedure into smaller parts, and then record all the information, and then you have to examine the data, and then you have to measure the work with respect to time, and then if there are any modifications required, you need to do them. Then you have to install that into your organization, and then convert the work into time. Okay, done. So here you have 8 steps: select, divide, record, examine, measure, modify, install, and convert. Okay, so these are the 8 methods you have here in the time study, whereas in case of method study we used to have only 6 methods, right? So that's it for this video, guys. I hope this video is useful for you. If yes, hit the like button and also share it with your friends. And if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, make sure that you subscribe to my channel. And I hope this video is very clear for you, because it's very simple. What is work study? In work study, we have two parts: method study and work measurement. What do you mean by method study? Among all the methods available, we are deciding the best method. And what do you mean by work measurement? You're calculating the amount of work that has to be done in order to complete a particular job, right? Again, in method study, you have some process, and again in time measurement or work measurement also, you have some process. So apart from method study, you are having two extra steps, that is division and measurement. So divide and measure are the two extra steps that you are having in the time study. Okay, so that's it for this video. So I think it's useful for you. Let's meet up in the next coming video with another topic. And if you are having any suggestions for me, just let me know that in the comment section.